All right, fifth grade. Today we are going to be accessing our Savvis Realize platform through Clever. So, on your district issued Chromebooks, you are all going to see the blue C pinned to your desktop. Now, Miss Kurtz is going to go in through Google Chrome. This is also an option for you. Once my Google Chrome loads, I have a bunch of different things pinned up here, but you're going to be looking for this blue C where it says Clever. Now I'm going to click into Clever and I'm going to be prompted to log in. I'm going to log in with Microsoft Entra. You're going to look for this little lock button. Once your Clever loads, you're going to see all your teachers' pages. So you might see your math teacher, your STEM teacher. You're going to be looking for Miss Kurtz's page. It's the purple owl. When I click into Miss Kurtz's page, I'm going to see all these really, really great ELA resources. I know you guys know how to find ELA May Do, but I'm going to scroll past that until I see ELA resources. And I'm looking for the blue and gray Savvis Easy Bridge. Now in Savvis Easy Bridge, mine looks a little bit different than yours, but we're all going to move to the right side and we're going to click on Savvis Realize. It has these three little dots next to it. In Savvis Realize, you're going to see your English language arts class and your math class. So you're looking for 5 English language arts. Under that heading, you're going to see all the assignments that are due for that week. If you're not seeing the assignment that Ms. Kurtz wants you to do, I want you to click View All down here at the bottom. When I click on View All, I'm going to see all the assignments that are due that week. Now today we are looking for our anchor chart. So you're going to look for the purple square on the side, and it says SI Historical Fiction Anchor Chart. It also tells me the page number I can find it on in my workbook. When I click open my anchor chart, I'm going to see what we're learning about this week. So this week, we are focusing on historical fiction. And in this historical fiction anchor chart, it gives me all these great resources about the purpose, the elements of historical fiction, and the text structure I will be looking at that week. It also tells me the exact page that I can find if I don't have Savvis open, but I need to reach this page. So if you ever need to figure out how to get on Savvis, you can use this video, or there are step-by-step directions pinned on Miss Kurtz's Canvas page. Happy reading!